Oh guys, my friend made me a little platter. Hey guys, welcome back to Keith Eats. Hello, welcome. Hey guys, welcome back to Keith Eats. Today, I'm back at it again with some cocoa yam fufu and some yellow soup. This is achu soup. This is very common in West Africa. So what you want to do is you grab your fufu, you create like kind of like a well, and then you want to go ahead and pour your soup in. So we're gonna go ahead and pour our soup in. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support on YouTube. I really, really appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and pour your soup gently. And I also have some pepper in here. Make sure you don't make a mess, guys. This soup is stained, so you just wanna make sure you're not making a mess. So before we go ahead and start, I'm gonna go ahead and do a thumbnail. Let me grab a meat and then do a thumbnail that way. Okay, so we're good. So now we're gonna go ahead and dig in. Guys, I just wanna talk about like all the hate I've been getting. It really doesn't get to me, you know? I genuinely, I genuinely really don't care. I do appreciate all the love I've been getting though. This is the pepper. It's like a habanero pepper. You just want to squeeze that in there. And then go ahead and, oh my God. This is so good. This is gonna kind of be a short mukbang because I didn't put a lot of food in here, but you guys, I cannot eat slow to save my life. Like, I've always been a fast eater. Like, I've never been a slow eater. This is so spicy and good, guys. This is good too, especially if you have a cold. It's a good soup for a cold. This is like a delicacy meal. This meal isn't like made every day. So next time my mom makes the soup, I'll record it because I actually cannot make this soup. But next time she makes it, I'll record it so we can both learn together. This is so good, guys. Oh my God. A little bit of lumps in there. Get that lump out. So good, guys. I love you guys so, so, so much. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support and all that good stuff. I really, really appreciate it. It means so much to me. Let me know if you guys like the camera angles. If you guys want me to prop my food up a little more. Let me know. And then I like to go ahead and drink the soup. Oh my God. This was so good, you guys. Want to go ahead and drink your soup. I'll go ahead and give you guys a side angle. Guys, also I live with my parents, so it's kind of hard for me to like film a lot. But I try to film when they're not home, so I can have some content for you guys every week, as promised. But this is so good, you guys. Well, make sure you eat all your food. And that's it. All done, guys. I'm gonna wipe our hand, and I'm gonna wash my hands later, but for right now, I'm just gonna wipe it. And guys, if I'm tearing up, it's not because I'm sad. Oh, that was so good, you guys. It's just because I have watery eyes and my eyes tear up a lot. I'm gonna wash my hand, but I just wanna take a drink, have a drink. I love juice boxes. You guys, that was literally the best thing ever. Oh my God, I look crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all the love and support. Stay tuned for more mukbangs and more videos to come. And I look like I'm crying. I am not crying, guys. I am totally fine. It's also really early as I'm filming this video, so I might look like I just woke up because I did. Once again, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. I love you guys so much. I appreciate all the love and kisses. Thank you for watching, and always remember, never forget to say keep eat. I love you guys so much. Make sure you share the video with everyone you love. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.